f of x is a periodic function of x with the period of 2 pi in the interval minus pi less than x less than pi, right? F of x is given by, f of x given by, it is 0 if minus pi less than x less than 0, this interval the function value is 0, and 0 to pi the function value is sin x. In the expansion of Fourier series, in the expansion of this function using Fourier series, the coefficient of cos 2x is, right? What is coefficient of cos 2x, right? See, coefficient of cos 2x is, see, any function we can represent as sigma, am I right? Take a pen. Any function using Fourier expansion we can represent as sigma a0 by 2 f of x is equal to plus n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx, right? Then they are asking the coefficient of cos 2x, right? Coefficient of cos 2x, right? Coefficient of cos 2x means, see, look here, here put n is equal to 2, then you get cos 2x here, then n become a2, then coefficient of cos 2x is what? a2, right? So we want to find a2, right? What is a2? a2 is equal to, an is equal to what you studied? An is equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x cos nx dx, right? Cos nx dx, right? This is an value. Then a2 what? a2 is equal to 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x cos 2x dx, right? All right. Now that is a2 is equal to, we can split into, see, minus pi to 0 the interval is 0. So I can write this as 1 by pi integral minus pi to 0 f of x value is 0, right? 0 cos 2x dx plus, now next interval integral 0 to pi, there f of x is sin x, then can I write sin x cos 2x dx, right? All right. Now see, a2 is equal to, this part is 0, now 1 by pi into integral 0 to 2 pi, see, sin x cos 2x, that how can I write sin x, sin a cos b, that is 1 by 2 into sin of, right, sin of a plus b what? Sin 3x, am I right? Sin 3x, all right, minus, right, minus sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b, sin of a minus b what? That is sin of x minus 2x, that is, so sin 3x plus, all right, minus sin x, understood, right? Sin of a plus b minus, see, sin a cos b, that is sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b, but a minus b, x minus 2x is minus x, and sin minus of sin theta, all right? Now that is a2 is equal to 1 by 2 pi into, right, this one integration minus cos 3x by 3, am I right? Right, this is not 2 pi 0 to pi, right? Second interval is 0 to pi, I am sorry, 0 to pi, all right. Here minus sin x on doing plus cos x, right? Minus is there, sin x integral is minus cos x, then plus cos x, right? Integral is 0 to pi, right? That is 1 by 2 pi into, here pi I put minus, see, cos 3 pi is what? Minus 1 by 3, cos n pi is equal to minus 1 raised to n. So cos 3 pi is minus 1 cube, that is minus 1 plus 1 by 3, right, plus cos pi is minus 1, right, whole minus, right, cos 0, here minus 1 by 3, right, cos 0 plus 1, right. Now here 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that is 1 by 2 pi into 2 by 3, and here we have a minus 1, that is minus 2. Then what that is 1 by 2 pi into, right, that is 2 minus 6, that is minus 4 by 3, that is minus 2 by 3 pi, right. Minus 2 by 3 pi is the answer, right. So which is the option? Minus 2 by 3 pi. So let me erase the board. Minus 2 by 3 pi, right. Then option D is correct.